bananabook.net.
You know, it makes me unhappy. When brothers make babies and leave a young mother to be a pappy. And since we all came from a woman, got our name from a woman and our game from a woman, I wonder why we take from our women, why we rape our women. Do we hate our women? I think it's time to kill for our women, time to heal our women, be real to our women. And if we don't, we'll have a race of babies that will hate the ladies and make the babies. And since a man can't make one, he has no right to tell a woman when and where to create one. So will the real men get up? I know you're fed up, ladies, but keep your head up. Women are the backbone of our society. They are mothers, sisters, daughters, grandmothers. Without women, the man is lost. They raise their children, they cook, they run the house, they work, they give love and hope. And while they do this, they also manage their career. Women are emancipated and are masters of their destiny. They do not want the help of men to succeed, but they just want to be appreciated for what they are and for the results. Men are often afraid of strong women, but it is a wrong way of thinking. A strong woman will allow the whole society to progress and evolve. The family is the basis of society, and an active and energetic woman will allow the whole family to be more robust, cohesive, economically independent. We must support and encourage the work of women, their commitment to the development of society, their role as daughters, mothers, sisters, wives. We are close to our women in their personal battles, as they have been close to the men in theirs. The woman is the missing part of man, the rib of Adam, the soulmate. We cannot live without them. We change the way we think about women. Let us never fail to respect them. Every woman deserves only the best, because without women, there would not exist life on earth. Every time a man lacks respect for a woman, he thinks he can offend your daughter, your mother, your sister, your grandmother, your girlfriend. Oppose to discrimination. Support the #MeToo. Fight to give equal rights to women. The world will become a better place.